Hey, welcome to my Microsoft Excel Mastery course review. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible course that takes you from a complete beginner to an advanced Excel pro without wasting time on boring theory. And here's the best part. You don't need prior experience, expensive training, or hours of trial and error. Just follow the step-by-step lessons and start mastering Excel instantly. Stick around because I'll also break down all the bonuses you'll get if you grab this course through my link below. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and online tools. If you love discovering game-changing digital products, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Plus, I've put together some exclusive bonuses to help you maximize your Excel skills. Check the description below before they're gone. So what is the Microsoft Excel Mastery course? This is a complete step-by-step Excel training designed to take you from beginner to advanced user. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, this course covers everything you need to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently with Excel. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn Excel from scratch, professionals looking to automate tasks and improve efficiency, business owners who need better data management and reports, no tech skills? No problem. The lessons are beginner-friendly, practical, and straight to the point. Standout features that caught my eye: basic to advanced Excel skills, formulas, data analysis, pivot tables, dashboards, and more. Macros and VBA automation. Save hours by automating repetitive tasks. Real-world projects. Learn by doing, not just watching. Lifetime access and free bonuses. No monthly fees, plus extra templates and ebooks. How it works. Super simple. 1. Enroll in the course for just $5. Yes, only $5. 2. Follow the step-by-step video tutorials. 3. Practice with real-world projects and exercises. 4. Apply what you've learned and boost your Excel skills instantly. Quick demo. Let's see it in action. Course modules and upgrades in OTOs. What's included? Once you grab the main course, you'll have access to some optional upgrades. Pro Upgrade unlocks advanced training and premium templates. Done for you Excel dashboards. Ready-made dashboards for instant use. Advanced macros and VBA training. Go deeper into automation techniques. Excel for Business Bundle covers financial modeling, analytics, and reports. Reseller rights. Sell the course as your own and keep 100% profits. Pick the ones that fit your needs and skip the rest. What I love about this course: perfect for beginners. No fluff, just action-packed training. Saves time. Learn automation and data processing fast. Practical skills, apply them immediately in real-world scenarios. What could be better? While it's packed with value, it doesn't cover super advanced Excel programming. If you're looking for that, you might need extra training. Final verdict: should you get it? If you want to learn Excel from scratch or take your skills to the next level, this course is an absolute steal for just $5. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my Microsoft Excel Mastery course review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.